Hi friends, today we are discussing about how to solve 1 to 1000 square in 2 seconds. For example friends, 23 square. 2 square is 4. 3 square is 9. We can write as 0, 9. 2 into 3, 6. 6 into 2, 12. We leave unit place and write 12. 9. 2 plus 0, 2. 4 plus 1, 5. Answer is 529. This is easy method friends. First you listen carefully and write it. And then after you can practice, you can get the answers easy. You can practice more and more. You take hundreds of examples and write it. You can get easily. Next, 34 square. 3 square is 9. 4 square is 16. 3 into 4, 12. 12 into 2, 24. Leave unit place and write it. 24. 6. 1 plus 4, 5. 2 plus 9, 11. Answer is 1156. Next, 48 square. 4 square is 16. 8 square is 64. 4 8s are 32. 32 2s are 64. Leave unit place and write it. 64. 4. 4 plus 6, 10. Write it as 0 and 1 is carry. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 6, 13. Write 3. 1 is carry. 2. 1 plus 1, 2. 2304 is the answer. Next, 57 square. Friends, 5 square is 25. 7 square is 49. 5 7s are 35. 35 2s are 70. Leave unit place and write it. 70. 9. 0 plus 4, 4. 5 plus 7, 12. 1 is carry. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 to 4, 9. Another example friends. 64 square. 6 is 36. 4 is 16. 6 4s are 6 4s are 24. 24 2s are 48. Leave unit place and write it. 6. 1 plus 8, 9. 6 plus 4, 10. 1 is carry. 1 plus 3, 4. 409. 4096, sorry. Next, 73 square. 73 square. 73 square and 7 square means 49. 3 square means 09. 7 3s are 21. 21 2s are 42. Write as 9. 2 plus 0, 2. 4 plus 9, 13. 1 is carry. 5 3 2 9 answer. Next, 86 square. 6 square is 36. 8 square is 64. 8 6 are 48. 48 2s are 96. Write as 96. 6. 3 6 are. Friends, 3 plus 6, 9. 4 plus 9, 13. 1 is carry. 7. 7396 is the answer. Another method also be there friends. That is, for example, 86 square. 86 square will be there. We can write as 86 plus 4. 86 minus 4. Formula is a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square friends. Then we can write as a square is equal to a minus b into a plus b plus d square. I write it this formula, friends. What happened? 86 plus 4, 90. 86 minus 4, 82. 90 into 82. We square as this number. Plus or minus 4 is there. We square it. Then 16. 90 I can write as single digit. How can I write? I write as single digit. Then I will divide by 10. When divided by 10, this single digit write as same. This one is carried this number. 0, 0 cancel. 9 into 82 to 16. 9 into 2, 18. 1 is carry. 9 8s are 72. 72 plus 3. 72 plus 1. 73. Write as 6. 1 is carry here. 7396 is the answer. Friends, now we are 3 digit square will be doing, friends. 109. We are using this formula. This is the universal formula. This is the easy formula also. We can use this formula and do it as easy. 109, friends. 109 we can write as 109 minus 9 plus 9. Plus 9 is 118. 109 minus 9 is 100. We can write as 100 into 118. 9 square is 81. Divided by 100. These two zeros cancel. 118 into 81. We are divided by 100, so we write as these two numbers. 118, 81 is the answer. Next, friends, 212 square. 212 square means we can write as plus 12 and write as minus 12. 212 plus 12 is equal to 224. 212 minus 12 means 200. 200 into 224. 12 square is 144. Friends, divided by 100, these two zeros is cancelled. Write as 2 into 224, 144. 2 into 4, 8. 2 into 2, 4. 2 into 2, 4. And 144. We are divided by 100, so these two digits are same. This one is carried to this number. 4, 4. 1 plus 8 is 9. These two digits write as same. Answer is 44944. Next, 378. 378, friends. 378 we can write as plus 22 minus 22. 378 plus 22 is 400. 378 minus 22 is 356. We write into 400 into 356. 22 square is 484. Divided by 100, two zeros will be cancelled. 4 into 356 and 484. 4 into 6, 24. 2 is the carry. 4 5s are 20. 20 plus 2, 22. 2 is carry. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 2, 14. And 484. We are divided by 100, so these two digits are same. This 4 will be added here. 1 4 2 4 plus 4 8, and these two digits are same 84. Answer will be this. 986 whole square is, we can write as minus 14 plus 14. Plus 14 means 1000. Minus 14 means 972. 1000 into 972. 14 square is 196 by 1000. Write as single digit. These three zeros will be cancelled. 1 into 972, 196. We are divided by 3 digits, 1000. So we write as same these three numbers. 972, 196 is the answer. Next, 447. 447 we can write as plus 3 minus 3. Plus 3 means 447 plus 3 means 450. 447 minus 3 means 444. 450 into 444. 3 square is 09. I divided by 100. This 0 cancel. I cancel this 0, point it. 4.5 into 34409. 4.5 I can write as 9 by 2. 9 by 2 into 34409. This 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 twos are 2 twos are. 9 into 22209. 9 twos are 18, 1 carry. 9 twos are 18 plus 1, 9. 19, 1 carry. 9 twos are 18 plus 1, 19. 09 is, write as same. 19, 9, 8, 0, 9 is the answer. Friends, I hope you like this video and subscribe my channel. If you any doubt, comment on comment box. I will reply you, and share this video to your family and family friends. Thank you for watching. Bye.